Kite flying made safe. Essential tips for everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting topic: kite safety tips. Kites are fun, but it's important to use them safely. So, let's dive into how to enjoy kite flying while staying safe. Remember, safety is always priority number one. Kite safety involves being aware of your surroundings and handling the kite responsibly. It's not just about the kite itself, but also about where and how you fly it. Safety tips help prevent accidents and injuries, making the experience enjoyable for everyone. Select an open area. Fly your kite in a wide, open space, away from trees, power lines, and buildings. This reduces the risk of entanglement or accidents. Check the weather. Ideal kite flying weather is a clear, slightly windy day. Avoid stormy or extremely windy conditions to prevent loss of control. Assemble with care. Follow the instructions to properly assemble your kite. A well-assembled kite is easier to control. Handling the kite. Learn to launch, fly, and land your kite gently. Sudden movements can cause the kite to crash or become uncontrollable. Stay alert. Always be aware of your surroundings and other people. Avoid flying your kite near roads or crowded areas. Use proper equipment. Wear gloves to protect your hands from string burns and ensure the kite string is strong and in good condition. Be considerate. Share the space with others and avoid flying your kite over people or private property. Protect wildlife. Be mindful of birds and other animals. Your kite should not disturb local wildlife. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of kite safety. Remember, the key to a great kite flying experience is being prepared and aware. Stay safe, respect others, and most importantly, have fun. See you in our next video, where we'll explore more interesting topics. Happy flying, and take care!